Well, the pork roast is finished cooking. It cooked for almost 5 hours in a cooking bag. And look how delicious it looks. It's so tender that the bones are coming right out of it. It's a porked, fresh ham that I baked in the oven with all the seasonings on it. Garlic, onion, salt and pepper, salt. We baked it for 5 hours on 350 degrees. And it's a beautiful, fresh pork roast. They call them hams. Fresh ham baked in the oven. It has the skin on it. But it's so tender the bones just pull right out of it. Okay. Hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.